This is a pretty odd group of people, isn't it?
Yeah.
Who would you say is the oddest?
Tate for sure.
Really? Why?
He kind of smells, doesn't sound much, is just weird.
So you just, that's it.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a wrap.
Oh my gosh, Levi. You guys playing soccer? Oh, like no real one. What the?
Got all the dead wood.
All right. Video, her channel. It's the cool people here. We're going for a walk. Come on, Hannah. This is Hannah. She's new to the vlog. Hi, guys. She arrived today. Yes. At what time?
2.
2. We're glad she's here, and the trip just got a whole lot better. Woo! All right, Sarah, what you wearing?
Rocking with the Birkenstocks.
Oh yeah.
We got some Bethel Music.
Yeah.
Merch, and from Target, the stores.
Woo woo.
And you gonna walk backwards. We got.
Wait, it's gotta go focus. There we go.
We got some fresh on cloud
Hey.
here with some new white Nike socks. We're rocking the OG Nike shorts.
What's up?
With the Ron John, you know, got it from Golf Shores AL.
Class them together. Class them together.
Oh, my soul, I worship your holy name.
You can't pull it. You can't pull it.
On the sides, not the top.
He's gonna eat a chunk out of my ear. It's gonna hurt somebody else. Get it?
Got it.
Bad lizard.
All right, let's have a devotion. How to get serious.
Okay.
There you go. Oh, I'm so done. Hey! Sideways video, you idiot. No. I don't want salt water.
You don't want water? You don't want salt water?
I can't
Why
see.
Why can you
Oh my gosh. Take me out of this. Get me out. Stop. Oh.
You scream really loudly on home.
Shut up. I'm going to kill. I'm actually going to. Stop.
You gotta get it when it comes back.
Dig down. Dig down. Oh my!
Alright, tell them what happened.
So, as you can see, we made it to the last house.
We're literally at the last house. It's a bunch of stuff.
I don't know where we're at right
We don't even know where we are. You can't even see it. The hotel's that way. You can't see
now.
anything.
We just walked into
Literally no houses anymore. I think it's like 8 miles. I don't even know.
It's not crazy. These nice people, but it's guys.
Thank
So,
you.
hopefully we see you guys soon back at the house. But
Hopefully we don't break down on the way back.
see ya.